Hello student, this is Ashish Tripathi from the Mount Raji School Jhansi. Hello, how are you? I think all of you are fine and all of you are sanitized at your home. आप अपने घर पे अच्छे भी हैं और sanitized भी हैं. So it's my suggestion, till the COVID-19 medicine is not coming, you should be safe, should be sanitized and use this period for your study purpose. Now, yesterday I have taken the class, and yesterday I have taken an online class, and in the lecture I found that you are not using the return statement. You are doing the program by the help of class, as I have given the program of twin prime numbers. But in twin prime number, they have directly done the program. They have not used the return statement in the twin prime number. So today I am giving the program of palindrome using return statement in the class. Here in this program I have initialized first of all I have given a function init, that is initialization, that is the constructor. Second function in input, to input the value. Third function def palindrome, in which I have reverse the number in a variable reverse, and then after using a while loop I have reversed the given number and return it. Now in the next function output, I have just called that function x equal to palindrome, if x equal to self of n, print n palindrome else not. So I have given two pictures over there, and you can see class xyz def init, that is initialization. Third one input. Self means you are giving the value to that object on which you are working. उसी object पर आप working करा रहे हो. पैलिंड्रोम का मतलब होगा it will reverse the value. पैलिंड्रोम का मतलब एक function पैलिंड्रोम by which we are returning the value reverse. And you know how to reverse the value using the while loop. You can reverse the value, return REB. And def output, again you can see here I have given x equal to palindrome, x equal to self dot n. X equal to palindrome, here I have called the function palindrome. Downward I have created the object a equal to xyz, a dot input, then a dot output. This much you can see. Now I am trying to running this program. Now you can run this program, and after running this program tell me what was the output. But whenever you are using the class, at that time please use return statement. That is much better, that is easing our work. And the next thing is that आपका time भी कम शेव कर देता है. Okay.